Hey everyone, in this video I will show you that how can you convert a normal video to 4K quality. So if you like this video, give a thumbs up. It will help me to grow on this platform. Now I will show the video before editing. Let's start. Open your Capcut, select your video, remove the watermark at the end. Then go to filters and adjust the graphs. Now do like this. And apply the basic blur effect. Change frame rate to 60 and save this video. After saving, undo all the effects you have applied in the video. Add overlay of the previous video that you have added now and adjust it. There is splice at the bottom. In splice, use burn effect about 66. Now add an overlay of white background. And adjust it. Again there is splice at bottom. Take overlay effect 100. Now go to adjust and do the sharpen value 100. Then again do this sharpen value 100. And it's done. If you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe. And don't forget to like and share my videos. Thanks for watching.